In a recent news report, it has been revealed that Chinese police successfully rescued over 1,000 cats from potential slaughter and sale as meat products, specifically as pork or mutton. Acting on a tip provided by animal welfare activists, law enforcement intercepted a truck transporting these felines in the city of Zhangjiagang. The rescued cats have been relocated to a shelter, highlighting concerns about an illicit trade in cat meat and its potential impact on food safety. Cat meat can reportedly fetch a price of 4.5 yuan per catty, a Chinese unit of measure roughly equivalent to 600 G, with one cat yielding 4 to 5 catties. It remains uncertain whether the rescued cats were strays or pets, but they were en route to the southern part of the country, where they were intended to be served as ingredients in dishes like pork and lamb skewers and sausages. Activists in Zhangjiagang had noticed a large number of cats confined in wooden boxes within a cemetery and had been monitoring the situation for 6 days. When the cats were being loaded onto a truck on October 12, the activists intervened and contacted the police. The story, initially reported by the paper, garnered significant attention and outrage on China's social media platform Weibo. Many users called for stricter inspections within the food industry and expressed their concerns about animal welfare. This incident follows a similar development in Shenzhen, which became the first Chinese city to prohibit the sale and consumption of dog and cat meat. The ban was extended beyond concerns related to the coronavirus outbreak, which was linked to the consumption of wildlife meat, leading Chinese authorities to restrict the trade in wild animals. While eating dog meat is not common in China, this ban underscores the evolving attitudes towards the treatment of dogs and cats as pets. The move has been praised by animal advocacy organizations, including the Humane Society International. However, it is worth noting that, at the same time as this ban, China also approved the use of bear bile to treat coronavirus patients. Bear bile is a digestive fluid extracted from live captive bears and has been used in traditional Chinese medicine. Despite this approval, there is no scientific evidence to support its effectiveness against the coronavirus, and the process is considered painful and distressing for the animals involved. These developments in China are part of a broader effort to address the trade and consumption of wildlife, which gained attention following the coronavirus outbreak, as a market in Wuhan selling wild animals and wildlife meat was suspected as the potential source of the virus's transmission to humans. This crackdown on wildlife trade and markets is in line with global efforts to prevent the spread of zoonotic diseases.